Hi folks, this is Van Life Mary. I'm super excited about showing you this Pleasureway Ascent TS. It's beautiful. This is a Mercedes chassis. So let's take a look at some of the features inside. So here we are inside. This is luxurious. I will tell you that Pleasureway steps it up. When they do this Ascent, it is just beautiful. Cream colored all the way around. It's really light, and the exterior is a lighter color, so it's going to keep it cooler. So as you look right here, you've got the Firefly. This is a really neat addition that a lot of times people like in a van because it's just push button. You can dim the lights, you can choose whatever setting that you want, so all your controls are right here. So here's your counter space. You've got all of this counter space plus really nice deep sink. Then you do have an induction cooktop, storage underneath, and then all this storage around here. So here we are in the back lounging area. This would also be your bed, and look at this lagoon table area. So you've got definitely a couple people that could sit around here. Workstation, really nice. You do have a nice sound bar and a TV around the corner here too. So, and I will mention this, the beds are super comfortable. Okay, and then look at that pantry. Hidden away pantry. I love that feature that Pleasureway does. They use every little space that they can. And your refrigerator, freezer up top. There's not a lot of freezer space on this, and this actually pulls open, but there's still enough room for ice cream. Then, in this unit, I do like the bathroom in here. You get a little bit more space in a Pleasureway. So you've got a sink, toilet, and for a wet bath, this actually does give you a lot of space. Plus the door is rounded, give you a little bit more elbow room. So, beautiful unit. If you would like to come and look at this Pleasureway, please ask for Mary when you get to BISH'S RV.